gold and silver getting smashed, guys. I'm going to talk about what is happening with gold and silver and what you guys can do about it. Let's begin. First off, guys, we look at the dollar. The dollar had a couple of good days going up. We're sitting at now 93.16 on the dollar index. Usually when the dollar goes up, precious metals go down. So look at gold futures. Gold is sitting down. You can see these big bars down. Gold sitting at 1761. Man, we're gonna look at silver. Silver also got smashed. Huge move down. Like we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days down, and it's looking like it might be breaking down lower. Maybe head down below the 20s. And if that happens, I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna do, and if you want to do it too, just do some research, and there's some other ways that you guys can win doing this. Now, first thing I like to look at is the gold silver ratio, guys. So gold silver ratio is sitting at about 78.32. So that takes 78 ounces of silver right now in dollars to get 1 ounce of gold. So that to me is a huge buying point in getting into silver right now. So let's look at what happened last week, last couple of days that pretty much caused the dollar to have some rise. So if you look at the dollar right now, some of the news usually in a real economy, in a real market, the dollar would be getting decimated. But recently the dollar's had some good news, retail sales month to month, core retail sales a little bit better than proposed. So it's not too bad. I mean, unemployment claims are bad, but right now in this pandemic, right, it's good news. So the news is pretty off-putting. The market's at a high for the dollar. Everything else is getting lower. But I'll talk about that in a different video. But here's things that you guys can do for the first one. There's 3 things you guys can do. First thing is, guys, you guys can actually buy physical precious metals. Right now, the spot price is pretty high above it. You're talking about $8.99 over minimum. So you're talking about a big difference from the market price or the paper market price versus the silver price right there. Also, same thing for gold. Gold is sitting up really big. But if you're looking at buying and holding out for the long term, that's what I'm doing. I always buy physical and some other forms that I will talk about. The next thing is, guys, because of buying gold and silver, you can click on my link right here. This goes to my affiliate link when you guys want to try buying gold and silver. But I found some of the ETFs and ETNs and different things to buy into precious metals. The link will be posted below. If you're looking at buying into gold, there's a different types of things. There's a different type of ETFs and ETNs. So if you want a little bit more leverage in buying precious metals, and get some dividends out of it, you guys can check this list out. And the third way that I do like getting involved with precious metals is trading it on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. If you guys choose one. So right now, this is how you would trade silver and gold. And if you haven't used MetaTrader platform, you guys can download it or just head to my website. I already have it on here. Just click MT4, MT5. Check that out, guys. It can definitely help you out. It's really easy to get into. Just use a demo account off the bat. And you're right into market. You can just buy into it. So just test it out, learning the MetaTrader 4 software without downloading it. And that's the 3 ways I would take advantage. Buying precious metals, looking at the ETFs, ETNs, or stocks into it, or in the third way, trading it on the spot markets. Now, guys, those are the 3 ways. If you guys want any indicators, please check out the indicators page, or just subscribe to our webpage, or subscribe to the channel, guys. Help me grow, hit 1,000 subscribers. But thank you, guys. Please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next video.